It actually costs a lot of money, which is so confusing because the ratings are so low. Maybe Troy's review can give us some insight. Not a single room ready until 6 p.m. When my room was finally done, I opened the fridge and let out the deepest groan of my adult life because there is old breast milk in the fridge. And now I have to remove it to make room for my wife's leftover lasagna. I can't do this anymore. I'm getting too old. 1 star. What? I thought that review was insane until I scrolled down and immediately read Scott's.